Have you ever stood in a store, scanning racks of formal clothes and wondered, which one is actually the best choice? Picking the right outfit isn't always simple. And honestly, life's decisions can feel just as overwhelming, whether you're choosing a new career or deciding how you'll serve Jehovah. Let's be real. Would you grab the flashy, trendy thing everyone's talking about or reach for the classic, well-tailored option that's always in style? Making good decisions, ones that last, takes more than just a quick look. Every day I have choices. Some are small, like what to eat for lunch, but others? They're huge. Where will I work? Who will I marry? How will I serve Jehovah? When I'm facing a big decision, I've found it helps to ask myself 3 simple questions. 1. Am I trusting Jehovah? 2. Will this choice make Jehovah happy? 3. Am I being influenced by others? Let's start with number 1. Trust Jehovah. Sometimes I want to go with what seems logical. But Proverbs 16:3 and 20 remind me, real success isn't just about being clever, it's about putting my trust in Jehovah. Think about a skilled tailor. Even if I don't understand every stitch, the final result is something beautiful. In the same way, trusting Jehovah, even when the outcome is unexpected, leads to the best results. Take Ramiro, for example. He chose pioneering over going to university. Now, as a barber, he helps lots of people learn about the Bible. He says nothing brings him more joy. Whether I'm choosing a career or just making weekend plans, I try to pause and ask Jehovah to guide my steps. Second question, will this choice please Jehovah? Sometimes I find myself trying to please myself or others. But Proverbs 16:7 shows, when I please Jehovah, he blesses me. Baruch learned this firsthand. Jehovah told him stop seeking great things. He helped Baruch see what really matters. Wearing modest clothes may not stand out at a formal event, but it earns true respect. The same goes for choices that please Jehovah. They give lasting dignity. Before deciding, I ask, would Jehovah be pleased? Third question, am I being influenced by others? Proverbs 16:25 warns, sometimes what seems right leads to trouble. I don't want to just follow the crowd. Buying a trendy outfit just because it's popular? I know that can lead to regret. Spiritual decisions deserve deeper thought. Romans 12:2 says I should make my mind over. Through prayer, meetings, and ministry, I align my thinking with Jehovah's. So I always check, am I making this decision for Jehovah or just to fit in? Trends fade, but spiritually strong choices, they never go out of style. So, next time you've got a decision to make, ask yourself, am I trusting Jehovah? Will this make him happy? Am I thinking for myself, or just following others? Jehovah doesn't expect me to be perfect, but he loves it when I sincerely seek his guidance. Make choices that bring peace, joy, and Jehovah's blessing. And if you'd like more Bible-based insights, feel free to reach out.